Here are the places that are worth visiting for your next weekend getaway in LU, even if you're a solo traveler or not into surfing. First is Imuki Island with an entrance fee of 50 pesos for regular and 30 pesos for students and senior citizens. Pwede din sumakay ng balsa para makapag-island tour for 250 pesos per hour if high tide, and you will get to see these 3 lagoons surrounded by these beautifully jagged rocks. Other activities that you can do here are sea farming, crystal kayak, snorkeling, and lagoon diving. Second is the man-made forest. So, just a quick stop lang po dito for photo ops kasi highway po ito. Third ay ang Bahay na Bato and Pebble Beach. So, ang entrance fee po dito ay 50 pesos and makikita nyo na po itong napakagandang beach na to na may mga medium-sized na bato. They also sell coffee and snacks here and make sure to check their art galleries too. Fourth is the Baluarte Watchtower, which is one of the historic watchtowers in the Philippines. It has no entrance fee and you can have your lunch at Steakhouse, which is just near the watchtower. Masarap din yung sizzling bagnet sisig nila for 190 pesos. Fifth ay ang Macho Temple na isang Taoist temple where you can light some incense and pray for what you wish for. Di kalayuan sa Macho Temple ay ang Halo-Halo de Iloco. Pasensya na wala akong videos pero isang bestseller nila na you can try ay ang fried halo-halo na hindi din available nung pumunta ako. Syempre para saan pat nag-LU ka kung hindi ka magre-relax and chill dito sa Orbistondo Beach. Bali ito nga pala yung dinarayo ng mga turista para mag-surf for 500 pesos per hour. Madami mga restaurants dito pero ang pinaka-recommend ko ay ang Kabsat and ang Flotsam and Jetsam na magkatabi lang. Try nyo na din itong creamy beef with mushroom sa Kabsat for 410 pesos. Promise, sobrang sarap niya as in. Last destination na kukumpleto sa LU trip mo ay ang Tangadan Falls. May environmental fee na 30 pesos and kailangan sumakay ng motor for 400 pesos balikan at magbayad ng tour guide for 700 pesos per group of 5 people. Magandang masimulan mo to na mga around 7 AM kasi sobrang time consuming and challenging, so make sure na physically fit ka, pero promise super worth it naman and ang ganda kasi talaga ng falls na to. Ito nga pala yung iba pang mga lugar sa LU na pwede mo pang puntahan kung may time, budget, and energy ka pa. Or mag-relax and mag-chill ka na lang ulit sa Orbistondo Beach. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and follow me on my social media sites for more travel videos. Bye-bye!